I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I finally have something to upload for you guys. We have been so busy, but I finally found some time to sit down and film and actually edit as well. So here I am. I've applied the easy tips using the instant nail glue, and I'm coming in with Get Paid and Sour Apple, which is one of the glitter infused acrylic powders. And this combination, by the way, is freaking gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So I've just applied Get Paid super thin and wet just to apply a base for that glitter. And I've applied the glitter acrylic over the top just to really make this design pop. And then over the top of that, I'm layering on some of the pastel iridescent butterflies, and they are a mix of 3 different kind of pearlescent colors, and they just went so well with the colored acrylic and the combination and the idea that I had as well. So once I've applied those to the nail, I'm just coming in with Nude Attitude at the cuticle area and just blending and feathering that down really nicely, just so that everything really goes seamlessly together. So I also just want to let you know the brush that I am using today is the number 12 Rainbow Aqua brush, and it's honestly absolutely gorgeous. It's crimped at the ferrule area. It is a flat oval and it is a beauty to work with. So moving on to the ring finger, I'm coming in and I'm doing a marble nail. Now, let me just tell you, this kind of went a bit wrong, so I do change it a little bit later on. I tried to pair the pink that I'm using, which is the neon pink. I'm also using Snake Charmer and Get Paid for the marble. But yeah, I tried to tie in the pink with the pink on the butterfly, but I couldn't have been any further wrong if I tried. Anyways, I fixed it. It still looked freaking bomb at the end. I should have used candy pink or even something a little bit lighter. Would have been cuter, I think, and just a little bit softer. I think the hot pink with the deeper green was a little bit too harsh and it didn't sit very well with myself. So as you can see, I'm just marbling all of those together. We don't want to blend them too much because it'll just look like a wash of brown. So yeah, very gentle strokes, and just apply a bit at a time and blend. Well, don't blend, just marble a little bit at a time, just to make sure you keep the consistency and the what's it called, the individual colors themselves. Okay, so moving on to the next nail, I'm coming in and I'm applying Get Paid to the entire nail. Again, I'm using it nice and wet. And also, let me just take a second to explain to you guys. With some acrylic powders, no matter what brand, you may well get pigment spots, and a way to get around that is to just apply a little bit more monomer to your brush and wipe it almost like paint, very gentle strokes, and eventually that pigment spot, if there is any, should only be small, will just basically disappear and dissolve into the product. It's a super easy fix. It doesn't mean that your powders are ruined. It happens to all brands. We obviously try our best to avoid it, but sometimes it just is what it is. It's not a problem. It's easily resolved. So I used Get Paid and I've applied Sour Apple over the top, and then I'm coming in with those butterflies. Honestly, if this doesn't scream like spring festival kind of vibes, then I have no idea what does, because that nail was freaking gorgeous. So I went back to the marble nail just to added some of the Sour Apple glitter acrylic, just to see if it kind of helped with my vibe that I was getting from it, which wasn't good. And if I'm being honest, it really didn't. So for this next nail, I'm coming in with Get Paid and I'm applying that to the tip because we are going to be doing an ombre with Snake Charmer and then a little bit of that sour apple. And also I'm just showing you there with the pigment. As you can see, there was a tiny little spot. I blended it out as much as I could with the monomer and then I applied a little bit more powder over the top and that solved the problem. Not that I think it's a problem anyway. I've had it with many brands. It's never bothered me whatsoever, but I know that some people find it difficult to work with just because you've never been explained how to work with it. If that makes any sense whatsoever, I have no idea, guys. Anyway, I'm applying Snake Charmer to the top part of this nail and just blending down nicely for a nice gradient ombre. And then towards the cuticle area, I'm applying Sour Apple Glitter Acrylic and just keeping that in the top portion of the nail. Also guys, I just wanted to let you know that Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat is back in stock. So if you were waiting for that, then I'll leave it down below and link it for you guys, as well as all of the other products mentioned in the video as well. So now that I've finished with the design, I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and I'm going to encapsulate the whole set. I love crystal clear, you guys know that I do. The whole system from Nailmate is stunning. It's so easy to work with and it's effortless. It really is. It requires minimal effort for amazing results. Also guys, if you haven't already, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload. So I do file and buff off of camera and just get rid of any dust and anything like that. And then I'm coming in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat and I'm going to apply that to all of the nails. And then I'm going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds for a full cure. Once everything is cured, I'm going to come in and I'm using the Nailmate Detailer brush, and this is a synthetic brush and it's super fine and perfect for character painting or small details and lines. For this nail, I'm just coming in and I really wanted to add something a little bit abstract, but I wanted to also take away that dark, deep pink that we have there. It just really didn't sit well with this set, so I wanted to do a sugar nail and brighten it up a little bit, especially with the white. So I'm just coming in with some gels and I'm painting kind of some abstract lines over the nails, and then before curing, I'm sugaring on Pearl Fire, which is a fine loose glitter, and then I'll cure in the lamp and dust off the excess, and then I'll carry on with this process until I've filled whatever portion of the nail that I want to do. I really think that this looked so cute and it just made it look better. I felt like the marble was way too deep for the pink that was in the butterflies. So yeah, I'm just going to continue that process and then I will share with you guys the final result after adding some of the luxury coconut cuticle oil. So everything mentioned and used in this video is available on my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy, where I'm always uploading content and new like pictures and updates and everything like that. And also the brand account for Glitter Planet is at Glitter Planet UK, so don't forget to follow us there as well. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I love how it turned out. I'm so glad that I decided to change the marble nail. Let me know how you feel. Yeah, I guess that works. Let me know how you feel about this set and if you think that it was best that I changed that nail to the sugared look. I think it looks freaking gorgeous. And as always guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.